Have you heard about this GPT thing? It's wild. Imagine having a super smart computer buddy. That's GPT in a nutshell. It's like having a personal assistant, a teacher, and a comedian all rolled into one. What can it do for you? Well, it can help with your boring to-do lists. It can make your email sound less stupid. It can even teach you new stuff. And yes, it can tell a joke or two. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is happening now. It's time to get on board and see how GPT can make your life easier and more fun. Ready to dive in? Life is hectic, right? So many things to do, so little time. That's where GPT comes in handy. It's like a personal organizer on steroids. Tell GPT what needs to get done. It can create a schedule that actually makes sense. Need to pick up groceries, write a report, and walk the dog? GPT can help you fit it all in. Forget those crumpled to-do lists. GPT keeps track of everything. No more missed appointments or forgotten errands. With GPT, you'll be a master of organization. Time to conquer your day. Let's be honest, writing emails can be a chore. Finding the right words can be a struggle. And don't even get me started on grammar. GPT can transform your writing. It can make your emails clear, concise, and professional. No more awkward sentences or embarrassing typos. But it's not just about emails. GPT can help with social media posts, work reports, even love letters, though I wouldn't recommend that. With GPT, you'll sound like a writing pro. Section 4. Unlock your inner Einstein. Learning with GPT. Ever wish you could learn new things faster, or maybe brush up on some forgotten knowledge? GPT can be your personal tutor. Want to learn a new language? GPT can help. Curious about quantum physics? GPT can explain it. Need help with your history homework? GPT's got you covered. The world of knowledge is at your fingertips. With GPT, learning becomes fun and engaging. No more boring textbooks or stuffy classrooms. Let the learning begin. Section 5. Goodbye procrastination. Hello GPT productivity. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, staring at a blank page. Procrastination is a real productivity killer, but fear not, GPT can help. GPT can help you brainstorm ideas, organize your thoughts, and break down tasks into manageable chunks. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your productivity. Need help writing that presentation or planning that project? GPT can help you get it done. Time to say goodbye to procrastination and hello to getting things done. Section 6 GPT, the fun side of artificial intelligence. Who says AI has to be all work and no play? GPT can be your partner in crime for all things fun and creative. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. Write a song with GPT. Create a poem. Come up with a hilarious stand-up routine. The possibilities are endless. GPT can help you tap into your creative potential. It can generate story ideas, suggest new music genres, even help you design a video game. With GPT, boredom is a thing of the past. Get ready to have some fun. Section 7, embrace the future. GPT is here to stay. So there you have it. GPT isn't just some fancy tech jargon. It's a tool that can revolutionize your daily life. It's about working smarter, not harder. From managing your schedule to unleashing your creativity, GPT has something to offer everyone. This is the future of technology, and it's here to make our lives better. Don't be scared. Give it a try. You might just be surprised at what you can accomplish. The future is now, and it's powered by GPT. Get on board and enjoy the ride.